So this is on page, the homework's going to be, is going to be started on page 21. I thought I'd walk through this exercise number 2 on it. I'm going to have you do the odds in this page. But they're asking you a little bit slightly different kind of ideas. The first thing they want us to do is to develop a line, a linear model or a y equals mx plus b model based on this information. And then make a prediction. I thought I'd walk through this one for you. So, what they told us here is that we have a y-intercept of 8. Well, that means we've got this point, 0, 8. That's a y-intercept. And then they told us we've got this other point, 12, 15. And then they're asking us in the end, once we get our line, find out what y is when x equals 7. And that's what this is. So we're going to find a line first. And what do we need to find the equation of a line? You just said slope, a slope and a point, right? So I'm going to do the slope. So I'm just going to do the x2, let's call this x1, y1, x2, y2. And we're just going to subtract the y's, right? Just like you've been doing for a long time now. So what's that? 7 over 12, and that's the slope. And then the beautiful thing about this setup is there's the y-intercept. So I can write y equals 7 over 12x plus 8. And there's my model. And now to make the prediction, I'm just going to replace the x with 7. So y equals 7 over 12 times 7 plus 8. And I can crunch that on my calculator, get my answer, and then that'll be the y value when x equals 7. Okay? Now, the next part of this question is asking us to find the exponential model. So this is just what we've been working on. I know when I'm done, I'm going to have a y equals ab to the x, and then I'm going to replace x with 7 and find out what this estimate is if it's an exponential model. So again, we've got this point, 0, 8. I've got this point, 12, 15. We're going to say, hey, 8 equals a times b to the 0. We're going to say that 15 equals a times b to the 12th. So again, this is a equals b. Now 8 equals a because that's b to the first, or b, that's just 1, right? B to the 0 power is 1. So we just don't know what a is already. And in this case, we can know that a equals 15 divided by b to the 12th. So I can set those two a values equal. 8 equals 15 over b to the 12th. This is 8 over 1. We're going to find the cross products. We're going to divide by 8. Then I'm going to take the 12th root of each side. So I'm just going to do this with fractional exponents. So that's what our b number is. We know that a is a is 8. To the x power, and then we have to make the prediction for when x equals 7. And I will crunch this on the calculator in case you have trouble doing that, just to show you. So I'm going to type in 8 times 1.054 raised to the 7th. And it's 11.5-ish. Okay? So hope that helps you complete this. I'll post the assignment underneath this video. Hope that helps.